Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best pizza rolling pin is probably one of the most underrated tools in your kitchen, but trust me, it's a game changer for any pizza enthusiast. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook just starting out, the perfect pizza rolling pin can transform your pizza making experience. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of pizza rolling pins, exploring what makes a great one and helping you find the perfect match for your pizza making needs. Number 5. All-purpose 17.6-inch beech wood rolling pin. This rolling pin is made of durable beech wood, ensuring it will last for all your baking needs. It's a reliable tool for both professionals and home bakers. The non-stick surface makes rolling out dough easy. You won't have to worry about the dough sticking to it, making your baking process smoother. It's perfect for baking pizza, pasta, pie crusts, cookies, pastry, and fondant. This versatile tool can handle a wide variety of baking tasks. This rolling pin is dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean and maintain. Simply put it in the dishwasher after use. The ergonomic design with a nylon ring ensures smooth and efficient rolling. It's designed to provide comfort and control for all users. It's a must-have baking tool and a perfect gift for wedding registries. It's a great addition to any kitchen. What we like. This rolling pin is made of durable beech wood, ensuring it will last for years. Its non-stick surface makes rolling out dough a breeze, and cleanup is super easy with its dishwasher-safe design. If you're a busy baker who values convenience and longevity, you should consider this one. What people say. Great rollability, great design, great in weight, kind of on the heavy side. Functionality is great. Easy to store away. The design is perfect for flattening out the dough. Quality is excellent. ZE is perfect. It rolls smoothly, not difficult. The size is bigger than I thought and it is perfect. It smoothly rolled out the dough to an even 1/4-inch dot. Number 4. Ultra Cuisine Stainless Steel French Rolling Pin. This French rolling pin gives you more control. It allows for easier rolling and baking. With this, you can make your baking easier. Cleaning is a breeze. You can simply wipe it down or put it in the dishwasher. This makes the cleaning process fast and effective. This rolling pin is freezable. It's perfect for recipes where the dough needs to stay cool. You can prevent the dough from warming up too fast. Made from stainless steel, this rolling pin is durable. It's designed to last, so you can use it for a long time. The handle-free French tapered design offers enhanced control. Its sleek look makes a great addition to any kitchen. What we like. This rolling pin is crafted from durable stainless steel, and its tapered design gives you more control. Plus, you can freeze it to keep your dough cool. If you are looking for a rolling pin that offers precision and is perfect for recipes that require a cold surface, you should consider this one. What people say. This rolling pin doesn't stick to the dough. Works very well in rolling out Trader Joe pizza dough when trying to stretch dough with hands was not working well. Easy to clean works well, easy to roll. Number 3. Muso Wood Walnut Rolling Pin. Introducing the Muso Wood Walnut Rolling Pin. It's made of solid North American dark walnut wood. This rolling pin is perfect for all your baking needs. The surface is polished and treated with mineral oil. This makes it incredibly smooth and prevents the dough from sticking. It's a joy to use. This French rolling pin design makes it easy to control the dough's thickness. You can effortlessly make pizza, cookies, bread, and more with it. At 15.7 inches, it's easy to store. It also has a beautiful texture, making it a stylish addition to your kitchen. We carefully inspect each rolling pin before it's packaged. If you have any questions, our service team is here to help. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This rolling pin is made of solid walnut wood, and the surface is smooth and non-stick. It's easy to use, making it great for various dough types. If you like a rolling pin that combines elegance with functionality, you should consider this one. What people say. It is responsive to my pushing shaping motions, and I end up with a reasonably lovely tortilla. Very light and sturdy. And very easy to use. You simply have better control over the ball-bearing version. You can finesse this one better, regulating the downward pressure and forward-backward motion better than the ball bearing. Number 2. WALFOS Beech Wood Rolling Pin. This rolling pin features a tapered design for better control. The non-stick surface means less effort when you're rolling out your dough. Perfect for various baking needs. You can use it for pasta, cookies, pizza, fondant, and more. It's a great tool for bakers and chefs. Cleaning is simple. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth. Remember not to put it in the dishwasher or soak it in water. Made from natural beech wood, it's built to last. It's lightweight and strong, suitable for both kids and adults. With a 15.7-inch length, it's easy to use. It's also a great gift for family and friends. We offer a quality guarantee. If you have any questions, please contact us. Order safely and securely with Amazon Prime today. What we like. This rolling pin features a non-stick material and a tapered design for better control. It's multi-purpose and made of durable beech wood. If you are looking for a rolling pin that is easy to clean and offers great control, you should consider this one. What people say. The pizza rolling pin is easy to clean. The pizza rolling pin works great. The pizza rolling pin is well made. Number 1. Muso wood Sapele French rolling pin. This rolling pin is crafted from sapele wood and specially treated to prevent moisture absorption. It's completely safe for all your baking needs, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience. The smooth surface prevents dough from sticking, and the tapered ends make cleaning a breeze. Simply rinse with water or wipe with a damp cloth. We recommend applying mineral or olive oil monthly to maintain its quality. Hand polished 3 times, this rolling pin offers a flawless surface, free of imperfections. Mineral oil is applied after each polishing to ensure it's safe for food contact and enhances the wood's texture. Perfect for pizza dough, cookies, bread, fondant, and more. The sapele wood adds a touch of nature to your kitchen. Its convenient size makes it easy to store. We carefully inspect each rolling pin before packaging. If you have any questions, our service team is here to help. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we stand behind the quality of this product. What we like. This rolling pin is made of sapele wood with a smooth surface that is easy to clean. It's designed for easy maneuverability. If you like a rolling pin that is easy to maintain and offers a unique wood experience, you should consider this one. What people say. Rolls super smoothly, cleans more easily than traditional rolling pins, and I haven't had any issues with things sticking to it. The rolling pin is a good size with tapered ends and works very well for my pizza dough and cinnamon rolls. The warm, beautifully colored wood is hard and non-absorbent, but with a silky feel. Even sticky pizza dough wasn't a problem with a light dusting of flour on my pin and silicone surface. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.